So I got a couple of Maersk Sealand locomotives in the mail. This is an N-scale one by Kato. This one's pretty new. I think it is actually used, but these things are discontinued. And I got this one from eBay, the HO scale Maersk Sealand by Athearn, or is it Athearn? I never can remember. I saw this and the price was good and I jumped on it. I didn't even really look at the listing, but this is a used, weathered version. Even though the box was sealed, this thing is definitely used and dirty. I think some of it is intentional. I think that's what, because it's weathered. And then I went back and looked at the original listing. There are things they did list in great detail the defects that this has, but it's still overall it's together. And don't pull it up by the center because that part just came right off.
Grab it by that.
So, I've just been wanting to get these locomotives for a while, and the price was good. Getting one that's in this condition, I was just glad the handrails were overall intact. It looks good enough for me. It looks like a used locomotive. I probably should take a course on how to handle locomotives. And the reason I've got them is because I have this. I've had this for a while. The Maersk. It doesn't say Sealand on it, but it's the 3329. It's this set 10219 from Lego, but it's based on the 3329, which was the only locomotive of this style. An SD40-2, 40-2. It's the only Maersk Sealand that I can find pictures of online, but that was like this. They'd made another Maersk locomotive that was a different style. And so the only thing I got left to do with these, I need to get some proper cargo for them, like I did with the Lego train set. It came with the cargo cars, but this, I don't have them. But so we're gonna test this thing out, let it run with some freight here in a minute. Oh, it would help if I put it on the track right to begin with. But anyway, it's a Maersk train, and I will be doing once I get the cars, or maybe even before I get the cars, I want to do a full video with all the versions of this that I have. So enjoy watching this thing run.